Last class you have learnt pollination and fertilization in flowering plants. In this class we will see formation of fruits and seeds, germination of seeds and types of germination. Formation of fruits and seeds. The fertilized egg, that means zygote, undergoes mitosis to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat, that is seed coat, around it. Gradually, the ovule converted into a seed. Already I said ovules which contains eggs. These eggs in the ovules present in the ovary get fertilized by male gametes from pollen grains and grow to become seeds. After fertilization, the ovary becomes fruits. The other parts of flower like sepals, petals, stamens, stigma and style dry up and fall off. Only the ovary is left behind in the form of fruits with seeds inside it. A fruit protects the seed. In some fruits are soft, sweet and juicy like mangoes and oranges. But some fruits are hard, dry and woody like peanuts, almonds, etc. Let's see the structure of a seed. Generally, a seed is the reproductive unit of a plant. If you observe a seed, you can see scar on it. That is termed as hilum. Through this way only seed receives water and oxygen etc. Then seed is protected by a tough covering is termed as testa or seed coat. A seed contains embryo, that is baby plant, and one or two cotyledons which store food. Let's see dispersal of seeds. In nature, the same kind of plants grow at different places because their seeds are dispersed to different places by various natural agents such as wind, water and animals. Suppose seeds are dispersed by wind means that is termed as anemochory. Then the seeds are dispersed by water is termed as hydrochory. Next, seeds are dispersed by animals means that is termed as zoochory. Usually seeds are in the inactive state called dormant state. When the seeds get suitable conditions like water, air and warmth etc., then the seed germinates and develops into a new plant. Let's see germination of seeds. Generally, seeds are very dry. Even though dry state, the seeds are alive but inactive, that is dormant state for long period. When a seed gets favorable conditions, it starts germinate. Thus, the beginning of the growth of seeds is called germination of seeds. Germination begins when the seed absorbs water, swells and bursts through seed coat. The water helps the enzymes to function in the seed. The enzymes digest the stored food in cotyledons and make it soluble. This soluble food makes the radicle and plumule present in the seed to grow. The radicle develops the future root system of the plant. The root pushes down into the soil and begins to absorb water and minerals from the soil. After this, the plumule develops future shoot system of the plant. When the shoot comes up above the ground, it develops green leaves. The green leaves of the shoot start to synthesize own food in the presence of sunlight. These seedlings becomes a new plant. You can do one simple activity in your home itself. Prepare your sprouts by using green grams. Observe sprouts. In this, you can see small outgrowth, that is radicle. It develops root system of the plant. Then you open the cotyledons and observe. You can see inside the leaf-like structures, that is termed as plumule. Plumule develops shoot system of the plant. Let's see types of germination. On the whole, in plants, three types of germination are there. There are hypogeal germination, epigeal germination and vivipary. Let's see one by one. First is hypogeal germination. In this type of germinations, seeds or cotyledons remain inside the soil. For example, horse gram, green gram, maize, coconut and mango. Next is epigeal germination. In this type of germination, the hypocotyl, that is the part of embryonal axis in between the cotyledonary node and radicle. This hypocotyl elongates rapidly and arches upwards, pulling the cotyledons which move above the soil. Example, bean, cotton, papaya, castor and onion. Third type of seed germination is vivipary. In this, germination of seeds while still on the parent plant. Further seedling development emerges from the fruit. Example, mangrove plant, Rhizopora.